See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, do you know that this video, what you see yesterday in AI, that is what they said though. The media office of Senator Adams Oshomole don't come and say this video no gonna disregard am say na AI o. Wetin carry me come this class plenty because yesterday when I read the word allegedly, some people were not comfortable with that statement for Facebook. They thought say are you blind? You know they see na Oshomole dey there. Why they say allegedly? All this matter together now we go discuss for this class to also understand the purpose of using the word allegedly. So a content creator go benefit from this class because for the society where we dey so. They toxic. Okusi, witty, they talk. Okay? Watch.
Let's begin what's trending with the most talked about video on social media in Nigeria. It's a video which appears to show Edo North Senator Adams Oshomole massaging a woman's feet aboard a private jet. The video, which has since gone viral on social media, has sparked massive debate online, while some users initially claimed that the woman in the video was his wife, Lara Fortes. Investigations further revealed that the woman is a South African lifestyle influencer, an adult content creator who describes herself on Instagram as a professional sugar baby. Oshomole, however, has now dismissed the video, insisting that it is AI generated. If we can pull up that video really quickly before we have our conversation. There we have it.
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen.
All right, his media aid has said that this is a poorly crafted AI generated video. Dr. Baby AI. You know, whether real or AI, this video raises questions. If it is fake, who created it and why? Now, if it is real, what is serving Nigerian senator doing massaging a self-described sugar baby on a private jet while ordinary Nigerians struggle? And those are some of the reactions that we have seen online. I don't know if you have seen the disclaimer from Adams Oshomole's media team. They said that this video is AI generated.
Okay, we are in the age of AI. Yeah. We discussed that this morning. Technology is dominating our lives. Before now, if anything is represented in the media, the editor will be blamed, the reporter will be blamed. Oh, we were misquoted. But AI generates images, it provides pictures. So we now hear AI is everything, we blame AI. So that needs to be investigated. This AI cannot begin to operate like a witchcraft of the 21st century. There must be source, there must be attribution, and it's for the investigating agencies to try to educate us more in terms of these disclaimers that come from AI. However, I will speak in defense of Senator Adams Oshomole, just in case it is the truth. And, media managers are trying to manage things. Senator Adams Oshomole is 73 years old. Now, we know him as a labor leader. We know him as a political leader, two-time governor, chairman of a political party. We know him also as a community leader, where he comes from, a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic. Now, if this is true, he has just added another credential to his portfolio, that of a master masseur. A master masseur. Because he was doing a... Why are you people laughing? Let me complete my thoughts. He was doing a good job there of massaging a young lady's foot. A very beautiful woman who says she's an adult content creator, and that broke men should not come near her.
Oh, you went to her page?
I went to her page because she also posted pictures. I don't know whether our own pictures are also AI generated.
Did you see this video?
And this is I saw everything on that page.
Okay.
And this is a tribute to the fact that Senator Adams Oshomole, in case the story is true, that he's still a viral man at 73.
He exercises, he works out. He's very
at a time when many young men belong to Tyler's category. Tyler, that lady that won Grammy Award. What's the title of her song? Push to Start.
Push to Start.
Most young men are in the push to start category.
24-year-old.
This is a man that is a good advertisement for masculine power. So all those people please, as they say in Yoruba, let our distinguished senator enjoy the life of his head.
Is it life of his head?
He should enjoy the life of his head. And that should be an inspiration to other young men. The private jet, nobody has said their money is missing.
Okay.
So at 73, a man is entitled to enjoy his life.
Yes. Whether he's married or not.
No. There has been no report. There has been no report of crocodile. We are not running.
Okay, so wait, a married man can massage.
This is not a moral police station. No, all the moral policemen and policewomen.
Yes.
You just mind their own business.
Okay.
Distinguished senator, please continue to enjoy the life of your head.
You don't see also. Abati said himself went to the guest TikTok account. He saw other videos. Not his wife. Still, I use allegedly because this country where we this so you feel catch person. If you call video now, they go say na AI. We live in the world of AI now. So everybody people say everything na AI. Even this video where you see so na AI. I will sue you tomorrow say, or you say this na Donaza. Now maybe this. No, they say AI for yes. They say na AI. Okay. This Oshomole's wife. But we know that time. This is the girl where they talk so. Two of them they fair. So this one where they did this video. So now AI. Now they talk and so go talk. Look, read from here now. The Nigeria lawyer. It is AI, not real. Oshomole's media office dismisses viral private jet video with South Africa. See, South African. Don't be the wife. Professional sugar baby. He is a professional sugar baby. In a statement issued on behalf of the senator, by Embassy Oseni Momodu, the media office described the footage as a poorly crafted and edited fake AI video, alleging that it was deliberately created by malicious actors, people were to blackmail and damage Oshomole's reputation. Now, listen to this part of the video I did yesterday. Listen to this part.
All right, so that is a serving senator representing Edo North, Senator Adams Oshomole, a former governor, in a private jet, giving his girlfriend, his wife, a foot massage. You see, these people no longer hide it.
According to him, he's in Adams Oshomole, allegedly, where they represent Edo North, allegedly, for Nigeria. See few reactions. This one said, why allegedly, when the video is obviously showing Adams Oshomole? This one said, I think they are beginning to abuse the word allegedly. This one said, Ataya. They say they day America, they day UK, they day Ireland, this Nigeria. So if you catch person, go deny them. Let me tell you, say, snake does swallow millions. You don't know where you day. More continue. I call reply this guy. Yesterday, I replied him. I said, before person go say na AI, say also 22 hours ago, you don't forget your politicians. Wait till we see today now. The society we live in, where you are in Rome, behave like the Romans. We live in a society where lies spread faster than truth. Kidnappings can be denied, for instance, in Kaduna, and later accepted. 160, more than 160 people kidnapped. Don't be ants, don't be goats. If na cow self, wahala go dey. They deny am. They say if you talk and they go arrest you. Police commissioner, when the pressure come dey too much, they call accept. Just imagine, a coup can be denied and later accepted. Say, no be cool now, this is something. Later, this is not cool. A governor can first claim genocide, Christian genocide. When America come beam light on the matter, you say no genocide again. And society where they be dirty. So if they run with story, they monitor, they look left and right like a driver when they drive for busy road. Get the point now. Now the country where they be that too. Everything change. For the past how many years now, things don't change you. Should I go from Obasabi? Sometimes those who commit crimes are scared. But person where told the story of the crime, they think it incarcerate you. Put you there forever. Person where they talk, if they Sokoto prison. But those where they do them, they see they inside bush. The other villages they kidnap. And if they catch them, they still forgive them. But the one where they vocal, get a deal, if they Sokoto prison. And the society where they be that man, you don't understand. Where truth is bitter, where truth called them bitter for society, intimidation and persecutions can be used to promote lies. Okay? Finally, we live in a difficult environment. To survive inside the toxicity, in a climate where lies are exalted above truth, where supporters of lies may even buy you before the liar himself or herself. Bro, see, you must be wise as a snake and harmless as a dove. That's what I say. What do you think? Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.